One of the biggest mindset shifts that you need to do as a leader is to accept and acknowledge that you are now the leader. A lot of people feel apologetic about being a leader. They hold off from setting the direction, thinking that their team will think that they're very dominating. Now, when you do not accept your leadership, when you do not set the pace, your team gets confused, your results suffer, your team's results suffer, and your career suffers. Now, you do not want that, right? So accept your leadership. That's point number one. Now, you do not want to come across as dominating. I understand. So here are three shifts, three things you can do. First is adopt a more democratic process. If you have dominating style so far, try shifting step by step into democratic process. That doesn't mean that you're losing control. You will still set the strategy, you still have the vision, you will still hold people accountable. But however, as you set the strategy, you will invite ideas in. You will invite people's ideas and you will ask, hey team, this is a strategy that I have for 2023. What do you want to add? What would you modify? Make it a democratic process. 2, empower people. Find team members who will drive a project, have ownership assigned, and ask them what is their vision for that project. What are the milestones? How do they want to communicate progress? And the third is feedback. You want to give feedback as a leader. When things are going well, you want to acknowledge your team. When things are not going great, you want to give them specific feedback. These are the 3 shifts that will make you acknowledge your leadership and drive your team forward. All the best.